the efforts of our tour operators and their team and the agencies who consistently contribute to our success.
Sabay abutin natin ang tagumpay. Patuloy lang tayo.
Mas ienggarbuhan pa natin. We will give more what we have to all of you because PAEC, hindi po kami nandito kung hindi rin po dahil sa inyo. I love working with people. I love sharing my passion. Magpapatuloy ang PAEC na magpalaki at magpalakas para sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mabuhay kayong lahat.
Tiwala sa Diyos ang sandat at gabay. Subukan nating isulong at ligaw.
We are grateful for the fact that organizations like PAEC make it a point to take education up a notch for more public delivery of service to our people, especially the youth.
Magandang bukas, ikaw at ako magkasama tayo sa lubungin ng kinabukasan.
Highlight of the evening, we will proceed with the awarding ceremony.
And how do you want to know or to learn the different food products, the handicrafts? What is the best way of learning all of this? Outside. And what's the best place to learn all these things? Lakbay Museo, tama?
Who, like the Orion constellation, represents a hunter with characteristic of strength, speed, stamina, and durability. Someone who knows their clients is indeed an Orion hunter. Phoenix Award honors the exceptional travel agencies fundamental to PAEC's success.
Philippine Amusement and Entertainment Corporation, or PAEC, has been a beacon of innovation and creativity, fostering environments where the curious minds of our youth can wander and wonder, where dreams are not just born, but nurtured to fruition.
These exceptional guides offer invaluable assistance to both PAEC and the students with their knowledge, communication skills, and dedication. Our outstanding booking officer of the year goes to Miss Janela May Ganaban from Travelers Tours Travel. We are to award top producer of PAEC Tandem.
Kayong lahat, you took a risk in the Department of Tourism. You took a risk in being part of the tourism industry. And thank you for that. Be partners together, work together, love the Philippines together.
Fixes this award goes to Travelers Tours and Travel.
Land saw an opportunity of propelling not only the country's tourism potentials, but by offering a novel and immersive way of learning, not only for the young generations, but for every Filipino.
Technical Awards, Tiger Vision Travel and Tours. The Polaris Award with 100,000 cash goes to G. Palaka.
Because again, this is another first for PAEC. So congratulations to everyone. Maraming salamat from PAEC. And we hope that we'll see you again and be with us and be our